Welcome to the lecture series on basic mathematics. I am Dr. Mohammad Mazharul Haq. We have seen matrices and the operations on the matrices. So today we will see some more examples to get familiar with the operations on the matrices, and with the help of these examples we will get perfect in the calculation of the matrix and the matrix operations. So today's objective is to understand with the help of examples all these previous concepts and familiarity of those concepts. Okay. If we have these two matrices, we have to check out whether AB is singular or non-singular matrix. Now recall what is the meaning of singular or non-singular matrix. Already we have seen these singular and non-singular matrix in our first lecture. Singular matrix किसको बोलेंगे? Singular matrix is a matrix whose determinant is 0. Non-singular matrix is a matrix whose determinant is non-zero. सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स किसको बोलेंगे? ऐसा मैट्रिक्स जिसका डिटरमिनेंट 0 होता है, और नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स जिसका डिटरमिनेंट 0 नहीं होगा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? क्या है यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन? पहले ए बी कैलकुलेट करना है, ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट, और फिर उसके बाद चेक करना है कि ये जो प्रोडक्ट मैट्रिक्स मिलेगा हमको रिजल्टेंट, ये सिंगुलर है या नॉन सिंगुलर है. सो फर्स्ट थिंग वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस. सो लेट अस टेक बाय आवर यूजुअल वे ऑफ कैलकुलेटिंग प्रोडक्ट. प्रोडक्ट दोनों का पॉसिबल है क्या? यस, यस पॉसिबल है, because the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Number of columns 2 है यहाँ पे, number of rows 2 है. कंडीशन क्या है मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन की? फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स के नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स सेकंड मैट्रिक्स के नंबर ऑफ रोज सेम होने चाहिए. सो जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई दिस फर्स्ट कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो टू दिस कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो टू दिस कॉलम. 2 into 1 2, 1 into 3 3. So 2 plus 3. 2 into 2 4, 1 into minus 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2. 0 into 1 0, 3 into 3 9. 0 into 2 0, 3 into minus 2 minus 6. रो को एक बार फिक्स कर देंगे, कॉलम जितने भी है उससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है. रो को फिक्स कर दिए, कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई. एंड दिस 2 plus 3 5, 4 minus 2 2, 9 minus 6. So now we got the product AB. अब AB मिल गया. Now we have to check out the determinant. डिटरमिनेंट कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है? वी नो वेरी वेल, जस्ट बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग. एंड कीप इन माइंड, जब भी हम डिटरमिनेंट कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो ये सिंबल चेंज हो जाएगा. इफ यू आर राइटिंग द सेम सिंबल यू आर मेकिंग ए मिस्टेक. सो दिस 5 into minus 6 minus 30, 2 into 9 minus 18. So this is minus 48, which is non-zero. So the given matrix is non-singular. The product matrix is non-singular. Got this? Look at this. If any confusion is there, हमने क्या किया? ये मैट्रिक्स AB को चेक करना था सिंगुलर या नॉन सिंगुलर. दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई किया और उसका डिटरमिनेंट फाइंड आउट किए. अगर ये नॉन जीरो आ गया सो नॉन सिंगुलर, जीरो आ गया तो सिंगुलर. Now transpose of a matrix, this is one of the important operation. ट्रांसपोज में क्या करना है? अगर हम मैट्रिक्स के कोई भी मैट्रिक्स के रोज, पूरे रोज कॉलम में लिख देते हैं तो उसको हम ट्रांसपोज बोलेंगे. जैसे ये मैट्रिक्स है 2 3 4, हमने लिख दिया 2 3 4. फर्स्ट रो को फर्स्ट कॉलम, 1 0 5 सेकंड कॉलम, 6 7 8 थर्ड कॉलम. सो दिस टोटल रोज वी हैव कन्वर्टेड इनटू द कॉलम्स. सो दिस इज व्हाट? ए ट्रांसपोज ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स. नाउ विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस let us verify AB transpose, product का transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. This is a result. We have to prove this. What is A? This one. What is B? This one. So let us check. First of all, the product is possible or not. Number of columns 1 2 3. पहले के columns देखना है, दूसरे के rows 1 2 3 same है. So matrix multiplication is possible. So multiply, fix this first row and multiply to column 1 column 2. Likewise second row column 1 column 2. 2 into 6 12, 5 into 0 0, 6 into 5, 30. So this is the first entry. Now first row, second column. So multiply this 2 into 1, 5 into 4, that is 20, 6 into 7, 42. So this is the second entry. Now multiply this second row to each of this column. So this second row, 0 into 6, 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 5, 10. So this is the third entry. Likewise multiply this second row to this second column. 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 4, 4, 2 into 7, 14. So this is the second entry of the second row. So this AB is 42. If you add this, 42, 64, 10, 80. Now we got the product matrix AB. So now take the transpose of this. Transpose means we have to change these rows into columns. So this first row will be converted to the first column, second row to the second column. So AB transpose this 42, 64 first row will be converted to first column, 42, 64 and 10, 18 to the second. Now B transpose A transpose means what is B? This matrix is B. So the transpose of this rows you have to convert into the columns. So this is the converted matrix B transpose and A transpose. So multiply these two, 6, 0, 5, first row, 2 columns. Likewise, this second row, these 2 columns. Just now we have seen, अभी देखा हमने, right? इसको ट्राई करके देखो मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन को, यही आ रही है क्या वैल्यू चेक करो. The values we are getting is 42, 10, 64, 80. And if you observe these two are nothing but the same. So we can conclude here, we can say that AB transpose of this product is nothing but B transpose A transpose. So this is a very important result. With the help of this matrix, we are getting this. Keep this in mind also. Now, if these two are the matrices, what we have to find out? This unknown value we have to find out. Such type of examples also asked. So A and B is given. This third matrix is unknown. And this I is what? I is the identity matrix. So what are the orders of these matrices? Yes, order of this matrix is 2 by 2. And order of this matrix is, 2 by 2. So addition is possible. So take this 2x plus 3a minus 4b is equals to I. So the order of identity matrix will be also identity matrix having diagonal entries 1, off diagonal entries 0. So diagonal के entry 1 रहेंगे, off diagonal के 0 रहेंगे. So this entry of A we are keeping as it is. Entry of B we are also keeping this as it is. A और B के entries को हमने रख दिए. X के entries हमको नहीं पता है. We don't know the values of X. So just keep this as it is. Now simplify this. ये क्या है? Scalar multiplication. ये 3 हर एक entry से multiply होगा. 3 into 3, 3 into minus 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 4. Likewise, this 4 is also multiplied to each of the entry of this matrix. 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 4 into minus 3, 4 into 0. And after that, scalar multiplication. 3 into 3, 9, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 3 to the 6, 3 4 the 12, 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8, 4 3 the 12 and 0. Now, after multiplying this scalar multiplication, we'll take this subtraction of these two matrices. 9 minus 4, minus 3 minus 8, 6 minus, that is plus 12, 12 minus 0. So this 9 minus 4, 5, minus 3 minus 8 is minus 11, 6 minus plus 12, that is 18, and this 12 minus 0 is 12. So this matrix we got. Now to calculate this x, अभी क्या करना पड़ेगा? This matrix is in addition of with this 2x. तो ये addition की term को equal to के वो side लेकर जाएंगे. We'll take this onto the right hand side. So what we are getting that positive term will become negative. So ये plus क्या हो जाएगा इधर आके minus हो जाएगा. So this subtraction again we have to apply, and the subtraction will be as usual 1 minus 5. Likewise, This is the value 1 minus 5 minus 4, 0 minus minus plus, that is 11, 0 minus 18, 1 minus 12, that is minus 11. So this is the matrix which is the value of 2x. 2x का value है. So just take these 2. 2 is a scalar term onto the right hand side. Right hand side ले लो. So that will be in the denominator. 1 by 2 minus 4, 11, minus 18, minus 11. अगर ये 1 by 2 को inside भी लेंगे तो this simplified term will get minus 2 11 by 2 minus 9 minus 11 by 2, right? See carefully this one more time. हमने कैसे सॉल्व किया इसको देख लो एक बार. Okay, next example. We want to find out the values of x and y which are unknown to us within this expression. What is this expression? Expression क्या है? This matrix you have to simplify and this xy you have to find out. And see what this expression is. This scalar multiplication, subtraction, then multiplication. So हमको सब पूरे operations यहाँ पे करना है apply. First, apply this scalar multiplication, 4 to each term, this 2 to each term. So this you are getting 4 into 1 4, 4 to the 8, 4 0 0, 4 into 2 8, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 4 3 the 12. This is the first matrix. Second one, 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6, 2 minus 1 the minus 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6, and 2 4 the 8. So this is the matrix scalar multiplication. What is the trick behind this is, पहले हम क्या करेंगे, जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर वाले टर्म है उसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. Now what remains here is the subtraction of these two matrices. So take the subtraction term wise. 4 minus 2, this 8 minus 6, 0 minus minus plus 2, 8 minus 4 minus 4 minus minus plus 6, 12 minus 8. So this term you are getting and this matrix, and this right hand side term will be as it is. Now think over this whether this matrix multiplication is possible. ये दोनों का मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल है क्या? व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स इन द फर्स्ट, क्योंकि हम पहले में कॉलम चेक करते हैं 1 2 3. नंबर ऑफ रोज इन दिस सेकंड 1 2 3. सो नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स एंड नंबर ऑफ रोज आर सेम, सो मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज पॉसिबल. एंड हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई? फिक्स द फर्स्ट रो, मल्टीप्लाई टू द कॉलम. ओनली वन कॉलम इज देयर, so only one time we have to multiply. So this is 2 into 2 4, 2 into 0 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 4 into 2 the second entry, 2 into 0 4 into minus 1. So these entries which got, ये entry हमको मिली 4 minus 2 is क्या है 2, 8 minus 4 4. And if we equate with the help of equality of two matrices are equal, यहाँ पे हमको मिले हैं, we got this that these two matrices are equal. This is only possible when the term of this is equals to this and this term is equals to this. So the first term is 2 and the second term is 4. देख लो ये समझ में आया क्या? टर्म एक्सप्रेशन में अननोन टर्म्स है, उसको सॉल्व करना है हमको. एक बार वापस से देख लो क्या किया हमने. ये एक्सप्रेशन को सिर्फ सिंप्लीफाई किए और इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद इसको इक्वेट किए. These are some examples. Try to calculate this. This you have to find out a square minus 8a. This is singular or not. This transpose is equals to or not. This a square is equals to identity or not. So try to calculate all these. And if you have any doubt regarding this, अगर इसके अंदर कोई doubt है, you can frequently ask me. What we have seen today is some example which remind us what all the concepts of addition, multiplication, subtraction and scalar multiplication, also the linear combination of the matrices. Thank you.